Biglan. Happy New Year. Wala man din si mama yung sa bungos ko. Ay, doon ang isa? Thank you, Biglan. Good morning. Busy ang people. Busy. Busy ang person. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Biglan. Thank you. Happy New Year sa inyo. Salamat. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy ang New Year. Oh my God. Happy ang New Year. Thank you so much, Bella. God bless you. Thank you, Bella. Hi, thank you for Happy New Year. Thank you. Thank you for the 5. Thank you so much. May great man. Ayun na. Ayun na wala. Ayun na sa taga-steak. Wala na. Ayun na wala. Mamaya na. Mamaya na.
Meron pala ako doon. Ano na? May buko pa ito. Isang sarado na. Gusto mo na? Buko pa? Buko. Ano to? Dali mo na to doon na.
Hugasan na niya yun. Hugasan mo na.
Dali mo doon. Sugasan.
Kayo Dito na wala ka mo. Dito kayo naglilimpya ako. Dito na wala ka mo. Kayo naglilimpya ako. My gosh. Dito na wala ka mo. Kayo naglilimpya ako. Yan. Sige mo tayo na. Sige ka mo na. Didi kayo na. Naramukan ako. Thank you. Oh my. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much for the gal. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Happy New Year. You're welcome. I wasn't sure it was going to work out. Thank you so much. Happy New Year po also. Thank you po. Thank you. All the girls. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you so much.
Ay! Ay! Ayun, papa mo. Ha? Lalaban ba si papa mo? Ha? Sasi, ulit eh. Ha? Kala ko lalaban siya. Wala ko. Oh, sabi. Ayun na siya. Nakadita lang baga ako. Kaya daw si Kuya Jamel, 1,000 siya.
Happy New Year. Aray.
Ha? Oo nga, nahintay ko din siya eh. Kukunin ko muna sa wifi.
Aray. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
Ito sponsor manok ya. Medyo. Ah. Dapat tayo. Saya si Kuya Jamel, 1,000 to siya. Saya si Kuya Jamel. Saya.
Thank you so much.
Saan natin laban? Ha? Saan natin laban? Kalian? Kalian? Papunta ka na? Ha? Hindi ko marinig. Aja sa inyo? Dito tayo? Sige, nga ako silang pera. Sige. Sige, tayo mo lang ako dyan. Uy, mahal! Kainom ka na ba?
You're beautiful. Thank you, Tyler.
Sakalihan tayo. Sige, nga mo si Kuya Jamel. Tatay ito si Kuya Jamel. Tatay ito si Kuya Jamel. Tatay ito si Kuya Jamel. Oh. Ha? Tatay ito.
Thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tyler. Sana girls. For Christmas, for New Year's Eve. Thank you so much. Wala nang sinasabi. Babaero daw ako. Daw ako. That is why it's a caress in the memory. stop thinking about love. People fall in love in mysterious ways. And I just have to live it. I'm still loving you. Oh my god. Um, Saturday night. Thank you so much. Greetings from Germany. Hi from Germany. Thank you so much.
Pupunta muna ako sa ano siya.
Ah,
Meron na pa. Palit ako damit.
para saan kayo punta?
Sama ko ni ano. Laban daw manok ni Jamil. Ani, Groy.
Talaga nila yan sa pagkaganda ko.
Dito ko na like. Selfie. Ilagay mo na itong ball. Nagpadala si Kuya Jamil. Sa dito. Kuya din, 5 Ay!
Sabonero. Aray. Oh my God. what to do, and this bomb is so busy.
Ay nga, ito pala may nga ito.
Kaya nga, kakapon na ako.
Reverse.
Reverse! My God! Kasi. So, sorry. Sorry, greetings from Germany. Hi! Oh my God. Busy. Busy at this moment. 50 people in the house. Oh my God. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Aga bawal man yun. Ang kuno, sili ko ng mala. Bawal. Ako muna ate, tapos na po na makalit, makulit. Tulog lang ko na ang mga dagmag.
Mahali ako. Hi. Ano si Papa, Mama? Thank you for the 3 people. Hi, Mark. Thank you, Mark. How are you, Mark? Thank you for joining. Oh, yes, I'll be working New Year's Eve like always. Anybody traveling? Oh, stay at home. New Year's Eve, family gathering. Hey, Kitty. I'm the real Ronwick. Hi. Hello, Mom. How are you doing this evening? Family get together this evening. Let's get married. Oh my God, from Texas. Mm, Real Ronwick. It's me, Ron Brax. You changed your name, Ron Brax. Hi, pretty Bicol Lana. Hi, po. It's me, Ron Brax. You changed your name. Para kasi mama mo? Why change your name, Ron Brax? Yes, it had my entire name, so I changed it. Okay. Oh my God. You're tiny. Thank you for. Oh my God, 67 in the house. Wow. 67 in the house. Thank you so much. Thanks. Thank you so much. 67 in the house. Thanks a lot. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Thank you so much. naman po. Oh my God. Sprung. Ano na sa simba? Ha? Kumusta ka na, Tiyang? Okay na? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Like and share, subscribe everyone. Thank you so much, Rick. Thank you for the gift. She's strong like what? I would play basketball if there. Okay. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. Yes, bend over you mess. What? What? 16 people in the house. Tara pa sa mama mo. Thank you so much. Jadi bago ako
Diri, kana kita Sheila ya dihali. Ah, Ay, hindi lang tubian mo ya de. Arin de. Ade. Arikas.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Like and share. How have you been? You have their coffee, breakfast? Not yet coffee, not yet breakfast. Not yet. Thank you so much. Fine.
Matunukon, bangus.
Ayo kandila, yan doktor niya, kainis doktor na kayo. Oo, kabawi.
Ayun, salamat. Kainis. Salamin. Arne mo na pinakami ko yun. Tita, may dala ko na si dito na karne.
Dito.
Franchise. Abakal pa lang. Sabaw, dagdag sabaw.
Fräulein, Fräulein. Thank you so much, English people. Thank you, thanks. Thank you, Fred Farrell. Fred Farrell. Thank you, Fred. Sir Fred. Hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning po. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Rick. Hi, Rick. Thanks a lot, Rick Goring. Thank you, Rick. God bless. Hello, sir. Speak English, please. Thank you. Speak English. Can you speak English? Thank you, Rick. God bless po. God bless. Oh my God. Why oh my God? Oh my God. Thank you, Rick. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Oh my, so many Rick. Rick, go ahead. Rick, go ahead. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Thanks a lot. Thank you, and Charles. Happy New Year. Yes. There's a guy's page that I follow, and he's about my age, and he's married to a Filipino, and they live in the province. But I guarantee you, it's just noisy at this place as it is. Yeah. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. Good. Wow. What a blessed New Year. You can send me on my Gcash or PayPal. Yeah, I will. Hi, Doug. It helps me to know. It helps me now. New Year's. Thank you. Thank you, Pa. Can I join you too quiet? Mark, I have another house in province on top of house, but it's quiet. Oh wow. I love my peace and quiet. Yeah, I love quiet peace. I love quiet place. Thank you so much. Sino nag-ibe? Why are you crying? Bakit? May toys card mo magpapaito. Benday.
Ako na nasawa mo.
Yawa. Nasawa ko?
Yawa. Pagkarani, matanas na. Ang hanap ko sa inyo, ang bag ko na puti. Ako, ano na mo? Nangatulong ako dati. Wala. Nakainuli.
Pinahurap ako dito nagihan.
Yagi ho. O, yagi ho.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, man. Yan pala yan. Thank you. 100 when I get home from
Doon ko
work.
nakaukita.
I sit on the couch for at least 30 minutes, not doing anything, just maybe grab a beer or something. Just relaxing. Yeah, that's good. Quite a while. Relaxing. I wouldn't want that mark. That's why we pick our place and we built it. We have people stopping at bottom on mountain taking picture. Wow, what's so lucky Filipina you have Sir Fred Farrell. Hi, mommy. How are you? I'm fine. Fred, you have done well, sir. Yeah. Are you fine, beautiful? Are you fine? Good place, Sir Fred Farrell. Wish me too. I bought a home by quiet place. Rick Goring, your English is very good. Thank you, Sir Rick. Where are you from, Rick? The party is starting now. I need to go to buy some food for Christmas Eve. I like Ohio, USA. Thank you, sir. The party is starting now. Hi! Riagon! So nice. 6 today. Thank you so much. Oh, you're young. Can I dance with you? Fred, I've been looking into that for a few years. Now I plan on retire maybe in 10 or 15 years. Yeah, I retired completely at 62. Wow. Fred, no sir, I haven't. I'm really investigating to know all the process. If I go there, I wanna go there for purpose. I don't want to go there. I'm not a partier. I'm not a drinker. I want to go. Yes, that's great. Sir Mark, they are to plan the next part of my life. That's good. Fred, I'm young. Well, yeah, I guess. 1960. Mark, you need to come and visit and see all of you like. Thank you so much. Didn't make plans. Yes, that's great. I write the list for the ano, the for the food tonight. Thank you, 17 people in the house. The guy I follow on YouTube, here is British and he has a very young wife. And they have a son that's about 4 years old, but he's still very happy. Yes, that's great. Been with the same girl since 2009. Mark. Wow. Good morning, sis. Good morning, Salve. Thank you so much. Ah, sis vlog. Salve vlog. Thank you. Sa tabi kayo dyan, mabuti naman. Ay, may katawag! May nagtatawag! Okay naman. Someone calling! Hey, beautiful. Hi, Danielle. Ha? Sabong ada?
Ha?
Nagsabong.
Sabong.
Hmm.
Di.
Imbo. Makaniman na ito kay masabong. Hindi kitawag! Hoy! Kaya din cellphone na. Musta Robert Wednesday. Hi. Answer the phone. That's not my phone. Please. Are you married? Never been married. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Salamat. You can get insurance here, Mark, but me personally, my neighbor, my doctor, and never charges me. And if need see someone else, I pay cash. Wow, that's great. Fred Farrell, thank you, said Fred Farrell. What about in case of emergency? Here, a left-handed. I didn't know. No, it's my right-handed. This is the left, and this is a right. Maybe because of the no, the pole, the no. I'm a right-handed. Oh my god, I'm a right-handed. What are you doing study? No, I want to list the food. I need to cook today pork, vegetable. I did have cataract surgery on both eyes and paid cash. Wow, that's great, Fred Farrell. Oh yeah, it's the way you're sitting low, yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Advance Happy New Year. I've heard that I do understand that the healthcare in the Philippines is very good. Singapore is like the best in Asia, I think. Yeah. Nano daw? Ah. Good morning. Hi, thanks. If anyone sends my PayPal, it helps me to buy something food for tonight. Ano yun? Mark, don't worry about anything until it happens. Then figure it out, but it's very cheap here. Thank you, Sir Fred. What languages do you speak? Bicol, Tagalog, English. I don't speak Portuguese. I have 2 homes in Condo in Cebu, Mark, all paid cash. Wow, that's good, Fred Farrell. Wow. They, I've looked for ladies in other parts of Asia, but Filipinos, of course, there's bad and good and everybody, but wow, Filipino love for life, yeah. I think if you love Filipina, they will love you back 100%. Cheryl, it's true. I see some guys on her, they go to the Philippines and they get a girlfriend in the bar and then they expect her to be faithful. Oh my god. Meeting in the bar, it's not, don't expect they are faithful if they are meeting in the bar. Oh my god. Don't expect like that. Because meeting in the bar is like just for fun. So what do you expect? Maybe I don't know. Rarely find good one in bar, yeah. Very rarely. Bad bar girls, no. Don't find on bar girls. Bar girls is not here. Meeting in bar girls not, I don't know. I think it's not a good idea for meeting someone in bar girls because you will find maybe you need to go here. You will a lot of here. There are a lot of here. You can. Church and my faith are very important to me. Very important. But I'm not looking for just like an ultra religious person. But to be very good morally is important. Yeah, moral is important. That's right, Sir Mark. Mark, all you have to do is come here and walk around and you can find. Yes. Yes, that's right, Mark. Frederick. Most are religious, yeah. Yeah. Most are religious. Hello, Galvan Ivy. Hi. I'm living in the Philippines. Not all, but a lot. Yeah, not all, but a lot. Yeah, mostly Catholic, right? But I'm not looking just for that. If you look at Cheryl and just here, but other Filipino very good people, their family, they take care of your family and yeah, get married. Your husband come first. Yes, Mark. I heard you say good night in Portuguese. Good night, Cheryl. Even before marriage, their boyfriend becomes first. Yeah, their boyfriend comes first. Yes, before marriage, boyfriend comes first. What kind of party do you tonight? Lots of karaoke. Playing party because we have a family gathering. Not karaoke and drinking here. Yeah. Kamusta po? Hi, William. Karaoke is live here in Philippines. Thank you so much. Eric! Eric! Kanina, okay ka na. Nalang kinang. Ano pala kaya ka? Ha? Ha? Sige kung ano luto ko luluto ko na ano yun.
Pwede na muna ito. Ay, hindi na. Kain ka.
Thank you. Happy New Year. Doing a same here tonight, Cheryl, at 4 o'clock. She will go pick up lechon. Wow, lechon! I wish we have a lechon. I can't afford the lechon. The videos where they talk about the family and when they marry die from the West, they expect to take care of. That makes me scared. You know, I'm only responsible for the family. Oh, huh? You only responsible for the family? No, not only you. If you get married, you both responsible for the family, not only you. Oh my God. Fred, how old is your wife, sir? How old your wife, sir, Fred? How do you see Happy New Year in your language? Sorry to repeat myself, but you are very nice. Thank you, Danielle. Sosa. Mark, when I met my wife, she had two young boys. Wow, she already young. She is when you met her, she what do you call single mother. My wife is 57 but looks 40s. Wow, that's great. Adios, mucho gusto, and Honos. Fred exactly zero, yes. These children playing are your children. I have one kid, 100% love. I raised her two boys. Wow, your wife, Fred Farrell, so lucky to have you in her life. Oh my God, it's like a jackpot having a Fred Farrell. Hopes every man likes you, sir, Fred. I raised two boys, yeah, because for a single mother that's having a already have a kids, it's very difficult to find someone genuine love. Cheryl, you think your boyfriend or husband will take care of your family? I don't know. I have no husband. Oh my God. Fred, become yours when you marry. Yeah. Good night, sweetheart. I'm going to sleep. Hey, Daniel. Thank you for joining. Very difficult to find nowadays that's like supportive partner. You don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. If Mark, you've been calling me that for many years. What a lucky, what a lucky man. What a lucky wife. My wife and I didn't get married until 2023. What a lucky man. What a lucky wife. What a lucky Filipina. Fred, you should be proud. Oh my god. How many Fred Farrell in this world? Here in Brazil, it's already 10:45 p.m. Brazil. Here, 9:46. Fred was a little scared because of the divorce laws. Yeah.
Tita, may sukat naman na may sili.
Wala, ito. Dahil mo makuha na dito. There's many more like me, sure. Just need to be patient. Yeah. I found
Ginawa mo muna. Okay na?
I'm taking care of my wife and any children that she has or we have. It's unless it's like an emergency or something like that. That's different. But I've seen in the video where they expect you to build in my house, pay all their bills, support them right. No one, I'm not doing it. Supporting my wife and that's it. Yeah. We didn't want marriage, Mark, but figure since we were together that long might as well. She been annulled once, Mark. Afraid you're not getting any young. What a, thank you so much. I need to go now. Thank you, Sir Fred. Sir Fred, can you give me some lechon? I wish I have a some lechon. I can't afford the lechon here. Oh my god, the lechon. Here last time coming to visit me and stayed for 2 months. We went to City Hall. That's great.
Mama, charger ko pala.
Hindi mo na ano.
Ito na may isa na kulay brown baga.
Ito ho sa ano, sa kulay.
Kaya
Dili mo paano pag ano. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Rick. Ring. Fred, you will have a good life. Yeah, you will have a good life. You deserve the love and happiness. We didn't get married here in Philippines. At least you both live together, Fred. Connected to you, Mark. Thank you so much. 14 people here. 31 likes. Thank you. The lechon. I want lechon. I'm having great life, Mark, and have been happy. We felt jealous your life, Sir Fred Farrell. Since you and I in the middle.
May labas.
I have to go. I need to buy this. If I was single, I would be choosing. Oh my god. Sir Fred. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, 14 people. I need to go. I need to buy for for New Year's Eve. I will take care of people. They take care of themselves. You know what? I mean, Fred. Like Cheryl, I like her a lot. Yeah, she's a great mother. She's a great lady. Oh, thank you, Mark. Well, keep trying for her, man. I want lechon. You never know. I need to bye bye now for now. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Thank you. See you next live. Bye bye. Happy New Year's. My God, I watch for the good character. That is the most important. Not the money. Anything else but the character. Yes, that's right, Mark. Thank you so much. The money is the bonus. Thank you. The character is very important. Okay, Cheryl. Have a good New Year. Thank you. God bless everyone.